As always, remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell on my YouTube channel. Roast chicken, make sure you wash the chicken first, cut the wingtips off, and then we cut the backbone out. Dislocate the hips, cut between the hips and the backbone, and when you get to the rib cage, stop. Turn the chicken over and cut along the backbone to remove it completely. You can stick a large knife up the vent and all the way to the neck, but you may waste chicken that way. Mix up 1 part vinegar, 10 parts water, and a handful of salt, and then throw the chicken in there for at least 1 hour. You can leave it in there overnight. This helps crisp the skin up and it firms the flesh. Pull it out and dry it off. Mix up your spice mix, paprika, chili powder, wee bit of cumin, salt and brown sugar. Rub that through the dried chicken, making sure that you lay the chicken out as I've shown in the video. Put the chicken into a preheated oven at 165 degrees for 35 minutes, and then turn the oven up for another 15 minutes at 195. If you wish, you can have a coffee cup half full of water in the oven to maintain humidity. Let the chicken set for 10 minutes before you carve it. I had someone hungry waiting, so I carved it straight away. As you can see, some of the juices are escaping. There we have it, roast chicken. Serve it up however you wish and eat it and enjoy. I generally have it with mashed potato and coleslaw, but chips and salad, corn, all options are on the table. Have a delightful day.